Okay guys, this is the first time I show you this free displacer BETA Stirling engine that I made with this wobble plate mechanism, and you will see the first one. Air conditioning started. As you see, I use the part of the LTD unit that I made earlier, but I changed this bearing because that wasn't good. I bought this one. It's a ceramic bearings. This is really good, but expensive. I use this ball joint to connect the whole thing together. It's not so easy, but not complicated too. Okay, here we are. I'm not connected, not fixed this part yet. I don't know. I hope you can see this. The mechanism is not perfect, but it's working. This is the Achilles heel. Actually, it's worked. As you see, I used before this video going, but it worked really good. But after 10-15 minutes, this glass blowed up a bit. So, no more words, just I hope it will work as before. In my hand, that's not optimal actually, because the resonance and etc. I just try to move the piston to start the displacer moving. Okay. Yeah. The problem is the first run mold something here, maybe the glue or something like that, but it's working. Yeah, as you see. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. It's not good. And maybe some technical problem here. But this is a live video actually. So I just but you can see this double bearing is working really good. In the plastic tube, but the displacer is not going well, so I should change it, but okay, but now okay, it's hard. Yeah, and no counterweight on this part, so as you see it's shaking up. The displacer yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is a real no AI video for you. So the method works well, and I want to make a better version from this with high RPM. I think it's possible 3000 or something like that in the first run. Of course you're not seeing that, but there was 2.5, yeah, 2500, but actually we have a problem with the displacer. I can change it because I have sliding bearings for that or something like that. Maybe I change the whole structure there, a bit longer moving part, but actually it's working. This part from the 3D printer I showed you earlier in my short videos. This is it. It's simple, cheap, aluminum, and really nice. So probably I will make, after few prototypes, a pretty new engine with high RPM and fancy and nice rotor. Without this part, I just put in for weight, so it's added mass actually, but it looks nice. This is the most important thing here, the slider. And this new part, I never used this, the ball joint. That's pretty cool. So this is not nice, but it could be. It's not short, but it works. Okay.